Welcome back everyone to Generate.net. Today we're releasing yet another AI application to add to our massive array of applications. This one is an AI image background remover. Now the idea here is to remove the background of your images and get a PNG file which is backgroundless using AI. Now I know other apps do this, but no apps do it as efficiently and quickly and as perfectly as this app. So let's watch together. You click here to upload an image. You grab an image of something with a background, whatever it happens to be, and then you wait a few seconds for it to upload. Once it's uploaded, you're given an opportunity to change or resize the image to the kind of image you want. So if there's something that you want to maybe isolate, like for example, just a girl, you want the girl without any other artifacts, you can do that. You can also rotate the image using this here. So you can move and enlarge, and then once you've got the character that you want in the picture, you click remove background, and in just a number of seconds the AI will automatically remove all of the background details, leaving you with a PNG file which can be very, very useful in many instances when it comes to using imaging, especially when creating books. You might want to isolate or remove the background completely of the image to reuse the image. So this is the result. Fantastic. So as you can see, the background's been removed. This image is automatically downloaded. You don't have to press anything. And if I go and show you this image, you'll note that it doesn't have a background. You can see that it's all completely gone. So if I add a background now, for example, if I drop here some color, you'll see that it's completely isolated. Thank you for watching. This was Generate.net. Bye for now.